Hey, I'm Ashley. You might know me from the blog This Mama's Dance, where I share inspiration for the heart and home. Join me over the next 6 weeks while my husband Matt and I renovate our old farmhouse kitchen into the cottage kitchen of our dreams.
It's demo day, as you can see behind me. Demo day looks a little bit more like demo evenings as we can after work. So we don't have a ton of demo to do, mostly just tearing out this bump out, and we're gonna put a pantry in here, and then we've got to tear out the old kitchen cabinets, and I just feel like Pinterest will be angry at me because everybody loves those little cabinets and they are so cute. But unfortunately, they're not super functional for a family of 6. And I racked my brain on how we could keep them and still keep function in the kitchen. But I do hope that we can salvage them when we take them out.
Things felt a little slow moving this week. We took some time to visit family out on Vancouver Island, so that's probably why, but we came home to a big mess. In reality, this was demo and supply week, and it's not over yet. I have to remind myself of that. The last of the messy demo needs to happen, which is to remove the small wall and take down the old cabinets and backsplash. Matt picked up the remainder of the IKEA cabinets on Monday, and we were even able to take advantage of the IKEA kitchen event, which is awesome. There's new windows coming for the original house Thursday, and cabinet doors coming Friday, so I'm getting as much on site as possible. I'll be ordering pine this week for the ceiling, and we had a meeting about countertops today.
All right, so you can see we've opened up this opening, essentially. And this is the real big game changer. So this was framed in, and we wondered, what can we do here? Can we utilize this space? So we did a little exploratory work. And this is the ducting for our furnace. It needs 2 inches of clearance. And so the way that we're going to utilize this space is to do a 15-inch cabinet bank that runs all the way up to the ceiling, and so that will give us pantry storage, and we'll still get to use this space instead of having all this dead space, which is, when you can utilize space like this in a small home that doesn't have a lot of closets and storage, it's very exciting. So this was something that I really wanted to work a pantry into this kitchen design, and so we figured out a way. So pantry's going in here, so we're gonna have to reframe this opening because we're kind of gonna build it in, and it's gonna be really cool, I think.
Alright, so I'm going to give you my really hopeful list of what we want to accomplish before our next update. I think this week is going to be huge. We're gonna finish the demo, install the new window over the sink, assemble the base cabinets, get our counters measured in order, maybe get some pine up on the ceiling, and get the pantry rough-ins finished. Do you think we can get it done? If our youngest son's molars pop through and this beautiful weather holds, we just might be able to pump it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Let me know if you have any questions about this project in the comments or on my blog, and I'll see you next week.